I spent the last 6-7 months learning n8n, doing loads of workflows, and Claude's come out and overtaken it. So I'm going to test it here. So the obvious question is, has Claude Code got smarter, and can it do the n8n as a skill? So what I did, I built this app, and this app says yes or no to n8n. So without further ado, let's get it on. Hello there. Well, I was sat wondering what I'm going to do with all my n8n workflows, as I don't really use them anymore because of Claude. So I thought to myself, do you know what? Why don't I make an app that I can just drop the old n8n workflow in, have Claude see if we can make a skill out of it, and see if it's worth just putting into a Claude MD file. So that's what I've done. So let's have a look at it. As you can see on your screen here, I've just dropped an old JSON file straight into it. I'll show you how that works in a minute. Up at the top, let's just zoom in so we can see a bit better. Oh, that's already zoomed in. Let me just pause here. Okay, now we can see it properly. So I just built this app, and basically you get this structure out of it. So you get the structure down the side here that says, let's have a quick look here. So it says what the app was: create an image, get image. So wait node, wait 60 seconds. Trigger was a start node in the workflow. 2 switch nodes, error handling, and a return. And then we come here. Let's just come back and go into there. And you get this skill here. Then all you need to do then is simply download the MD file, give it to Claude, and now you've got a working skill. Now, obviously, the key feature we've got up here, it says if skill wins. So if it's a complicated one, you might need to use n8n, because it's still got a value, and you can schedule them as standard. So if you want to publish 4 things to X all the time, you can do it daily, and you don't have to worry about Claude. But I just thought, if I get all the n8n templates that I've got all over the years and pump them into Claude, would it not make it a genius? So that's what I did. So I'll go quickly run through this, and we'll have a little play. So I'm just going to reset it. As you can see there, it just drops a JSON in. I'll get myself a JSON and I'll be right back. So this one here is a motivational short. So I'm just going to come down here, go into the n8n, and download the JSON. Then once I've got the JSON, I'm just going to go back into the app and see what it tells me. Okay, as we can see here, I've put another one in. It's got a tie on this one. So you can either leave it in n8n or copy it and download it. So we'll just reset it. I've reset the window because this button here is not working properly, but it doesn't matter because you simply just download it into your computer and just drag it to the window and it will go. Let me just do another one. Another one is you can just paste it. So you get your JSON itself, put it into a text editor, paste it and put it in there. I just thought it was a funny little feature. Let me just try another one. Where's my n8n? Let's have a look. I seem to have lost it. Let me just put that over there. This is my Docker. Let's see what we've got in here. I've got a whole file of stuff that I've accumulated over the years. Just trying to find a more difficult one. One that makes logos. Add for creatable. Let's have a look at that. I think we've done that one. Let's try this one. This is a bigger project, I think. Yeah, this is one that we got from Robo Nuggets. So let's go here and download it. Just going to get that file now, and I'm just going to put it into that box. That's all we need to do. And it comes back with the n8n still wins for the trigger, but that's not an issue. You can make a trigger through Claude. So create videos. There's a sticky note thing, model. The reason I'm particularly doing this, it also gives the prompts that are inside the n8n that you acquire over the years, and that gives Claude a bit more intelligence, because it can be a bit fucking stupid, to be honest. So I'm just going to download that, and then I'm going to give it to Claude. In fact, I'm just going to copy it. So there, I just thought I'd make a quick video showing you that you get a little use out of your n8n, and it also gives you advice. So it says keep it in n8n or take it. This one, n8n wins, it says keep it in n8n. But because I've got Claude attached to the Airtable anyway, and this automation triggers by Airtable, it should be able to talk to each other and make it work for you. And then simply tell Claude to do it, and you don't have to do it. So until next time, see you later.